Hello everyone. So today we have studied shortcut trick to find bond order. So first we have calculate the total number of electrons. So as the total number of electron, first we have calculate total number of electron. So if the total number of electron is 10, then the bond order will be 1. If this is 11, so from 1 there will be increased by 0.5. So 1.5. 12 this is 2, so 13 this is 2.5, and in 14 so the maximum number of bond order is 3, and from 15 there will be decrease in 0.5, so in 15 there is 2.5 bond order, in 16 there is 2, and in 17 number of electron there is 1.5 bond order, and in 18 number of electron there will be bond order of 1. So now we can study about few example which is coming in exams. So in O2 minus, if we studied about that O2 minus, so in O2 minus the total number of electron is 8 into 2. So total number of mole atomic electron, that is 8 in oxygen, and plus 1, so the total number of electron is 17, and as per the rule, so 17 there will be 1.5. So O2 minus has 1.5 bond order. In O2 plus there will be 8 into 2. So as there will be minus 1, so there will be total number of electron is 15, and as per the rule there is 2.5. So the bond order of O2 plus is 2.5. In O2 there is 8 into 2. So there will be the total number of electron is 16, and as per the rule the total bond order is 2. In CO plus, the total number of atomic orbital of carbon is 6 and oxygen is 8 minus 1. So there will be total number of electron is 13, and for 13 the bond order will be 2.5. In N2 plus, there will be total number of electron is 14 minus 1, 13. That bond order of N2 plus is 2.5. Here O2 2 minus, so 8 into 2 plus 2. So total number of electron is 18. So the bond order of O2 2 minus is 1. In NO, so the valence electron of nitrogen is 7 and oxygen is 15. So total number of electron is 15, and in 15 the bond order is 2.5. In 15 the bond order is 2.5. In CN minus, the valence electron of carbon is 6 and nitrogen is 7 plus 1. So there will be 14. So the bond order will be 3. In CO plus, the valence electron of carbon is 6 plus oxygen is 8 minus 1. So this is 13, and for 13 the bond order will be 2.5.